Adobe After Effects alternative. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Adobe After Effects and all the alternatives that you can find out for yourself when it comes to using it. Now, Adobe After Effects, as we all know, is one of the greatest effect software out there that allows you to create the greatest videos with the most epic transitions, the most epic color grades, and a lot of other effects to work along with. Now, Adobe After Effects is a software that a lot of people have been using for a while, and it's getting considerably expensive. So, what are the alternatives for it? Now, there are a lot of other alternatives, but I've brought you the two best alternatives that I feel are going to stun you with their amazing motion graphics and a whole lot more effects. So, what we're going to do is we're going to first of all go over and discuss Natron. Now, Natron is an open source composing and VFX motion graphics software that you can either check on GitHub or download from their very own website. Now, its reason being open source, it's totally free. And the features that it provides you are incredible. You can go from flexible rotoscoping to tracking to powerful keying tools, curve and dope sheet editor. You have great plugins, GPU and network rendering, and a whole lot more. And it's totally code based where it's run on Python. It's created by coders and developers, which is pretty cool. So it's an open source. It's absolutely incredible. I have used it, and I would definitely urge you to use Natron as an alternative. Now, the second alternative, you all probably knew this was coming along, was Blender. Now, Blender is more of an animation software than motion graphics, but for the features it gives you, for the effects you get, and the fact that it's free and open source, you can use it as a great alternative for After Effects. Now, After Effects does specialize in motion graphics for lifetime videos, but you can apply that through Blender as well. You won't have to give the fee that you give to After Effects, and you can actually match up Blender's different effects like rendering, modeling, sculpting, VFX, story artist, animation, simulation, video editing, and a whole lot more in one place. So these were basically the alternatives for Adobe After Effects, and do let me know down in the comments below which one you think is going to be the most suitable one for you. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.